My name is Cheryl Clark, and I am the founder of Phenomenal Writing and Phenomenal Speeches, an executive communications agency that provides ghostwriting and speech writing services for executives and entrepreneurs.
In addition to writing speeches for my clients, I also offer coaching sessions. Some of them are in person and others, like this one, are done virtually. In these sessions, we work on timing, rhythm, pacing, and so on, and whatever is most helpful to the client, because it's very rare that I'm in the room with them when they're delivering their keynote.
What I love about public speaking the most is that it's one of the few mediums where you can really emotionally drive and impact people to do positive things. There are a lot of preconceived notions about what it means to be a great public speaker. Many people feel as though it's a gift that some people are born with, and while others don't have that gift and that charisma that goes with it. But I think it's a skill that can be learned. With the right preparation, you can overcome those things. I think you'll always be a little nervous. Even the most seasoned speakers get nervous before speeches because that vulnerability never goes away, but you can hone your message and get more comfortable with yourself with each time you do it, and it gets better with each time. Anybody can be a great speaker if you put in the work. It's really about discipline and knowing the mechanics of what makes a great speech and how to deliver it. People are taking time out of their day to come see you. You need to really give them your best and authentic self. So it's about preparation, going through what you're going to say, how you're going to say it, rehearse it with a friend, family member, spouse, or someone, and then do that final run through on your own, and then really give the audience what they need to do. So it's just no procrastinating, prioritize, and do what you said you were going to do. It's as simple as that.